Guys, welcome back to QuickMedic.net. With over 34,000 subscribers, 2.7 million views, 80.2k hours watched, and over 9.5 thousand followers on Twitter, we've received some great feedback over the last 4 years, but we've also been wary that we need to change some things in some of our videos. So there's going to be no more background music, there's going to be a louder voice for the narrator, it's going to be at a slower pace, and the videos are going to be shorter. With this in mind, all of the old content will still be uploaded for you to enjoy, and it's all going to be centralized here on YouTube for you to peruse. But I really think that I should highlight to you there's going to be a new form of video, new format of video arriving soon in 2021. So with that in mind, I want you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. This lets me know who's interested in the channel, who needs and wants more content. It allows you to feed back to me as well about what sort of content on clinical medicine you would like to see, because there's going to be a new series of videos going forward in 2021. So hit the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and prepare for a new series in 2021. You can also follow me at Gascrack on Twitter.